This sleeve is a tool. It does not control me. I control it. This is the weakness of weapons. They are tools to kill and destroy. They are not what gives you power. You are the weapon. You are the killer and destroyer. You had the right idea. But next time, if you want to save someone you love, move faster. I'll remember that. You had two weapons. Yourselves and each other. You totally ignored the second.
Because he's a SeaTac dickhead.
In actual combat, you'd both be dead. The true strength of the wolf isn't fangs, speed, and skill. It's the pack. Whatever world you needle cast into, build a pack. Find ways to inspire loyalty in a few capable locals, even if many of them will ultimately be expendable. We are envoys, and we take what is offered.